Hello, this is Scott Melgren here with SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have one of our new Element M17s in the red with the gray interior. See, it's sitting on a single axle trailer with a swing away tongue. See, the back just does have their M hull design, which is designed to handle real well. This particular boat is equipped with a 90 horse Mercury on it. Back here you can see cup holders, spot for the ski tow bar right there, little seats that you can go through. Nice little ladder here. Go ahead and get up in the boat here. And you can see the ski tow bar right there. The nice gray interior with a full bench all the way around. Nice seating up front. This one does have both windshields. And then this particular boat is actually rated for 7. It does come with a Bluetooth stereo and your traditional gauges. If you'd like some more information, please give us a call.